Vocabulary. Things to buy. 1. Batteries. 2. Tissues. 3. A newspaper. 4. A pack of cookies. 5. A birthday cake. 6. Sweets. 7. A postcard. 8. A lighter. 9. A magazine. 10. A map.
Hello.
Hi.
How much is this map?
It's $3.75.
How much are these postcards?
They're 50 cents each.
How much is that box of cookies?
It's $2.95.
How much are those batteries?
They're $6.25.
Grammar in this lesson. We use this for a thing, object, only one, close to us. This book, this laptop, this cup of coffee. We use these for things, objects, more than one, close to us. These books, these laptops, these cups of coffee. We use that for a thing, object, only one, further away. That book, that laptop, that cup of coffee. We use those for things, objects, more than one, further away. Those books, those laptops, those cups of coffee. This, that, these, those, go before be, in sentences. This isn't clean. That is good. These aren't dirty. Those are nice. In questions, this, that, these, those, go after be. What is this? How much is that? What are these? How much are those?